Here's a 2019 Chrysler 300. From its sculpted curves to its bold wheels, the pride in what you drive begins before you even open the door to the luxurious interior. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Since 1925, Chrysler has done more than just make vehicles. It has made history. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.